Artificial intelligence, artificial general intelligence, internet era, required skills. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, anyone preparing to enter any industry will be better served if they equip themselves with a diverse set of skills to navigate the challenges and opportunities posed by advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, the advent of artificial general intelligence, AGI, the influence of the internet, the effects of automation, the rise of personalized experiences, predictive maintenance, and the transformation of healthcare. Let us delve into an introduction to each of these areas, outlining the skills necessary for anyone to thrive in a world increasingly shaped by these phenomena. First, understanding artificial intelligence, AI, and its applications. As AI continues to permeate various industries, we must possess a foundational understanding of AI concepts, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer visions, and neural networks. Machine learning. Understanding AI and machine learning means learning how computers can learn from data to make decisions or predictions. It involves knowing different types of learning, like learning with a teacher, supervised learning, or learning without one, unsupervised learning. Popular techniques include decision trees, which make decisions based on input data, and neural networks, which mimic the human brain. By practicing with real-world examples and keeping up with the latest advancements, you can get a better grasp of how AI and machine learning work. Natural language processing, computer vision. Natural language processing, NLP, focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It involves tasks like text classification, sentiment analysis, and language translation. Computer vision, on the other hand, deals with enabling computers to understand and interpret visual information from images or videos. Their application include object detection, image classification, and image segmentation. Both NLP and computer vision are key components of artificial intelligence and have wide-ranging applications across industries such as healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles. Neural networks. Neural networks are like computer brains inspired by how our brains work. They're made of layers of connected nodes that process information, helping computers learn from data. In AI, they're used for recognizing patterns, making decisions, and understanding things like images and language. They are behind many smart technologies we use, like voice assistants, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. As AI advances, neural networks keep getting better, solving more complex problems, and making our tech smarter and more helpful. We should be proficient in programming languages such as Python and have hands-on experience with popular AI frameworks. Examples. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is like a high-tech workshop for making computer programs smarter. It provides tools and resources for building software that can learn from data and make decisions autonomously. It's used for tasks such as recognizing objects and images, understanding language, and predicting future outcomes based on past data. Think of it as a powerful engine behind many advanced technologies, helping developers bring artificial intelligence to various applications in a user-friendly way. Pytorch. Pytorch is a library for building and training neural networks. It simplifies the process of developing AI models by providing tools for computation and optimization. With Pytorch, developers can create advanced machine learning applications more efficiently. Additionally, one should cultivate critical thinking and problem-solving skills to effectively leverage AI algorithms for tasks such as data analysis, pattern recognition, and decision-making. Second, anticipating the impact of artificial general intelligence, AGI. While AI systems are currently task-specific and lack the general intelligence of humans, the prospect of AGI, a form of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of domains, poses profound implications for society. One must develop skills in ethics, philosophy, and interdisciplinary thinking to grapple with the ethical, social, and economic ramifications of AGI. Moreover, they should hone their abilities in strategic planning and Scenario analysis to anticipate and adapt to potential disruptions caused by the emergence of AGI. Third, leveraging the power of the internet. In an interconnected world driven by the internet, everyone must be adept at harnessing digital tools and online platforms to communicate. Harnessing digital tools and online platforms for communication involves using technologies like email, messaging apps, social media, video conferencing, and collaboration tools to connect with others, share information, and collaborate on projects. It's about leveraging these tools effectively to reach a wider audience, facilitate discussions, exchange ideas, and work together regardless of geographical distances. By mastering these tools and platforms, individuals and organizations can enhance their communication efficiency and productivity in today's digital age. Innovation. Using the internet and AI, like really smart computer programs, for innovation means using all the information available online and the brainpower of AI to come up with new ideas and solve problems. It's like having a super smart assistant that can help you analyze data and find patterns, while also using online tools to collaborate with others and share knowledge. By combining these resources, we can come up with better and faster ways to create new things and make the world better. Proficiency in web development, digital marketing, and social media management is essential for anyone seeking to build an online presence and engage with global audiences. Web development. Web development means building websites and online applications using computer code. It involves creating the visual design, functionality, and content that people see and interact with on the internet, making it accessible and useful for users. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is promoting products or services online using various channels like social media, email, and search engines. It's about reaching and engaging with potential customers through digital platforms to increase brand awareness, drive sales, and build relationships. Social media management. Social media management involves handling an individual's, institutions, or companies' presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's about creating content, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance to build brand awareness and foster relationships with customers online. Furthermore, one should cultivate digital literacy skills to critically evaluate online information, discern credible sources, and mitigate the risks of misinformation and cyber threats. Critical evaluation of online information. Critical evaluation skills of online information are about being able to judge the credibility, accuracy, and relevance of information found on the internet. It involves questioning sources, checking for bias, and verifying facts to make informed decisions and avoid misinformation or false beliefs. Discerning credible sources. To discern credible sources online, look for reputable websites with domain expertise, like .gov or .edu. Check for author credentials, publication dates, and references. Evaluate content for bias, accuracy, and consistency across multiple sources. Verify information with reliable sources and fact-checking websites. Be cautious of sensationalism or clickbait headlines. Developing critical thinking skills and staying informed about current events and reputable sources can help navigate the vast amount of information available online. Mitigation of misinformation and cybersecurity threats. To combat misinformation, verify information from trustworthy sources and think critically before sharing. For cybersecurity, use strong passwords, update software regularly, and avoid clicking on suspicious links or emails. Educate others on these practices and have protocols in place to respond to security incidents and protect sensitive data. Fourth, navigating the effects of automation. The widespread adoption of automation technologies, including robotics, machine learning, and process automation, is transforming the nature of work and redefining the skills required in the workforce. You should develop a hybrid skill set that combines technical expertise with human-centric skills such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. By embracing lifelong learning and continuous skill development, one can position themselves to thrive in occupations that require a blend of automation-resistant skills and technological fluency. Fifth, personalized experiences. As consumers increasingly demand personalized products and services tailored to their preferences and needs, you must acquire skills in data analytics, user experience design, and customer relationship management. By leveraging data-driven insights and human-centered design principles, you can create compelling and personalized experiences that resonate with target audiences. Moreover, one should cultivate empathy and cultural competence to understand diverse customer segments and deliver inclusive and accessible solutions. Sixth, predictive maintenance. In industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and infrastructure, predictive maintenance techniques are revolutionizing asset management and maintenance practices. One should acquire expertise in sensor technologies, data analytics, and predictive modeling to detect equipment failures and optimize maintenance schedules proactively. By deploying predictive maintenance strategies, organizations can minimize downtime, reduce costs, and enhance operational efficiency, creating value for stakeholders and ensuring business continuity. Seventh, transforming healthcare through technology. The integration of technology into healthcare delivery systems is driving innovation and improving patient outcomes across the continuum of care. Anyone interested in healthcare should develop a multidisciplinary skill set that encompasses healthcare informatics, telemedicine, medical imaging, and health data analytics. Healthcare informatics. Healthcare informatics is using technology to make healthcare better. It helps doctors and hospitals keep track of patient information like medical records and test results so they can provide better care. It also helps researchers study health trends and find new treatments. Telemedicine. Telemedicine involves using telecommunications technology to provide remote medical services. It enables healthcare professionals to diagnose, treat, and monitor patients from a distance, often through video conferencing or secure messaging platforms. By leveraging digital tools, telemedicine improves access to healthcare, facilitates remote consultations, and enhances patient outcomes while reducing the need for in-person visits. Medical imaging. Medical imaging is like taking pictures inside the body to see what's going on. It uses technologies like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to create detailed images of bones, organs, and tissues. Doctors use these images to diagnose diseases, injuries, and other health issues, helping them plan treatments and monitor progress. Additionally, one should cultivate interpersonal skills and bedside manner to provide compassionate and patient-centered care in both traditional and virtual settings. By embracing emerging technologies and evidence-based practices, you can contribute to the transformation of healthcare delivery and address the evolving needs of patients and healthcare providers. In conclusion, the convergence of AI, AGI, the internet, automation, personalized experiences, predictive maintenance, and healthcare represents a paradigm shift that requires everyone to cultivate a dynamic skill set characterized by technical proficiency, critical thinking, creativity, and empathy. By acquiring a holistic understanding of these phenomena and developing versatile skills that transcend disciplinary boundaries, one can position themselves as agile and adaptive professionals capable of thriving in an increasingly complex and interconnected world. Through lifelong learning and continuous skill development, you can embrace the challenges and opportunities presented by technological advancements and contribute to shaping a future that is equitable, sustainable, and inclusive.